Hey Zen, what if the Caillou model had an idle camera that hovered around you like a news helicopter reporting on the situation?
You guys would get sick so fast? I don't think that would be a good idea. You guys probably get motion sick from how slow it would be moving. Or I know. I mean... No, that seems like that would be a bad idea. No, I shouldn't. No, that's a bad idea. That might get flung off somewhere and break something. Oh, for freak's sake! I mean, this is such a bad idea. This is such a bad idea, dude. I don't think this is a good idea. Oh God, what the fuck am I doing? Let's see. Do I have anything for this? I mean, well, shit. I don't see anything for this. I thought I had something. Oh, here we go. This should work. Yeah, this should definitely work. Okay, see, that's... Oh God, dude. Me thinks this is a bad idea. Very bad idea. That's more centered. Guys? Oh, there we go. All right, we'll see how that goes. Hey, this is your idea, dude.
Throw up!
Well, I have an idea. Hold on, let me see. Wait, I just have the funniest idea.
Have you piss off Zen so she strapped you to her ceiling fan?
What the shit, dude? What the fuck? I mean, yeah, I guess.